Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the Compass app from using True North on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. True North is the direction that points directly towards the geographic North Pole. It is a fixed location, whereas magnetic north is the direction that a compass needle points as it aligns with the Earth's magnetic field. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap compass. Tap the toggle to the right of Use True North to enable or disable the toggle. When the toggle is green, the compass will use True North, and when grey, it will use Magnetic North. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.